guys, welcome back to Tiana's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how I cornrow my hair using my Passion Curls jelly pudding. So it's important that you make sure that you detangle your curly natural hair. Foremost, I'm going to use my BB Crown and Glory Moisture Cream to detangle my hair effectively off camera. If you would like to see how I detangle my hair, watch my previous video that I did and I show you how I detangle my hair. So I'm going to do this off camera, guys, and then I'm going to show you guys how I cornrow my natural hair. So I'm doing like more of a zigzag parting, and I've already carved it out. So I'm just going to apply my Passion Curls jelly pudding.